The Mercedes-Benz 280 SE 3.5 Cabriolet, produced between 1970 and 1971, is a rare gem in the world of classic cars. With only 1,232 units ever made, this cabriolet stands as a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to luxury, performance, and timeless design. At AB Classic Motors, are proud to present this meticulously restored example, showcasing the elegance and sophistication that define this legendary vehicle. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the 280 SE 3.5 Cabriolet is powered by the robust M116 3.5-liter V8 engine, delivering 200 horsepower and 286 Nm, 211 pound-feet, of torque. This powerful engine ensures smooth and confident acceleration, allowing the car to go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 9.4 seconds, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The interior was adorned with high-quality materials, including wood veneers, rich leather upholstery, and plush carpeting. The SE's dashboard was designed with a clear layout, featuring analog instruments, chrome instrument, and luxurious finishes. The cabin offered comfortable seating for both driver and passengers. The seats were often generously padded and upholstered in premium leather. Extensive use of wood trim adorned the dashboard, door panels, and center console, adding to the luxurious ambiance. Every element was meticulously crafted,